My name is Anuraag Purie. I am the owner and CEO of ASE Enterprises, which is India's pioneers in the field of flexible foam machinery. So we have been in this business since 1989. We are proud and happy members of the Indian Polyurethane Association, the IPUA, which has progressed as an organization over the last years. And our biggest event, the PU Tech 2025, is coming in April. So I would urge each and every person who is related to the foam industry in any way, you must attend this event, because this is the single largest, biggest event of the polyurethane industry, dedicatedly only for the polyurethanes. Since the very beginning of the industry in India, my father was a part of it, and he was a member of the executive committee. Now I have taken over as the second generation, and as I mentioned earlier, Indian Polyurethane Association is working in various sectors, various fields, be it sustainability or training programs or webinars. And now the good thing is that we are going global. We are engaging with global associations and bringing in their knowledge bank into India. So this is the right time for people to enter the polyurethane industry. And as I also said, look out for the PU Tech 2025 in April.